Welcome to the inner sanctum of performance. Inside KTM's specialized factory in Mattighofen, Austria, precision is the only language we speak. This is the birth of the 1390 Super Duke RR track, a machine built for the circuit, where every gram and every bolt counts. It all starts with the heart. The massive LC8 V-twin is prepped for action. Technicians install the race-spec exhaust headers and specialized internal components designed for pure track dominance. Every fastener is torqued to digital perfection, ensuring this engine can handle the brutal heat of a 200 horsepower output. Now, the skeleton meets the heart. The signature orange trellis frame is lowered onto the engine. At this stage, the intricate wiring harness is laid out with surgical precision. This isn't just about power. It's about the electronic brain that manages the traction control and track mapping software that keeps the beast on the line. Next, we move to the suspension. The single-sided swing arm is mounted, followed by the WP Apex Pro rear shock. Up front, the WP Apex Pro 7548 closed cartridge forks are slid into the CNC-machined triple clamps. This is the hardware that turns raw power into lap-time crushing handling. Speed is nothing without control. We install the Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers, the gold standard in braking. Then come the forged aluminum wheels, incredibly light and wrapped in Michelin Power Slick tires. This reduction in unsprung weight is what makes the 1390 Super Duke RR feel like an extension of the rider. In the final stretch, the lightweight carbon fiber bodywork is fitted. From the sleek tail section to the aggressive aero winglets, everything is designed to slice through the air. Once the cooling systems and brake lines are bled and filled, the bike undergoes its final diagnostic check. The assembly is complete. The KTM 1390 Super Duke RR track is no longer just a collection of parts, it is a weapon. Fully fueled, fully tuned, and absolutely ready to race.